Hey guys, let's have a battle. That's right, it's a FabFitFun battle with $5 mystery bags. Two of them gonna fight each other, and I actually got for a 0 because I had credit with my FabFitFun edit. And if you're not a member of FabFitFun, then you might want to consider it because you do get some great deals in their edit sales, not to mention the annual subscription of $259. You can get 4 boxes, that's 4 seasons of up to $500. So 3 to 500 per box, depending on what you pick, for only on an average of $65 a box. So it is a great value, and then you can get these good deals. And I got this big old box for my 0 cost, which would have been $10. I've got 6 items in here, and they're going to battle each one out. You're going to let me know which one's the winner, bag 1 or 2. This is Miss Jackie Russell, and that's my channel, and my name is Vicky, and I will tell you all the rules. That's right, we'll have a little fun with the giveaway toward the end here, and it will be fun. You'll not only get to help me figure out which bag was the best, but then have an opportunity to win a mystery bag for yourself. So if you're new here, consider subscribing. If you're coming back, welcome all my subscriber friends. I love each and every one of you. And if you would, hit the like. And if you want to toss me out there with a share or hype, I sure would appreciate it. And let's see, is there anything else? Oh, you can be a quarterly member for $79.99 a quarter now. So it has gone up, but you can quit anytime. And you can even, skip it, but you get great choices, and I'm sure most of y'all know that. Now, I'm going to get into this, and I'm going to get all the paper out and put it behind me. And I'm just going to grab in here, and we're just going to pick the first 3, and then we'll do the next 3, because they don't bag them up anymore. So the first thing I'm pulling out of here is who likes to play bingo. This is a rom-com bingo. What does that mean? It means get ready for a heart-fluttering, laugh-out-loud movie night with this interactive watch party game. With the 6 double-sided romantic comedy themed game boards and 6 dry eraser markers, everyone will be ready to race the mark off their bingo spaces. Who will be the first to yell, "Meet cute," and claim a victory? Well, that is a little different, but I think that'd be fun. My grandkids might like that. It says it's players 1 to 6, and it's rom-com, so I'm sure it's going to be a lot of fun. So very interesting. That's my first item. Not too bad. I'm going to reach over here for the second one, and it's in this box. And looks like I have a sippy cup. And it looks like it might have been for Valentine's Day. It's a Draper James sippy cup, or wine cup, or tumbler. And it's stainless steel. And you've got your instructions all about stainless steel tumbler care. And I don't know the value, but I would say it's around $20. Could be more. I don't think they have the price on there. Just says it's a stainless steel, 12 ounces, double-walled stainless steel, hand wash only. I love the little hearts on there, and I like it. You could use this for coffee, tea, or wine, or water even, whatever's your pleasure, and it's easy to hang on to. So that's a nice little item. So that was item number 2 in bag 1. So we've got bingo, and we've got some drinky poo to go along with it. If you're having fun with adults, you might want to have some wine in there. Okay, the next thing I'm pulling out of here is really big. And it is a Lily Pulitzer. I think it's a pillow. It's a Lily Pulitzer, yeah, pillow. That's huge. So I guess this is an outdoor pillow. Let's see. This is an indoor-outdoor pillow, so it can be either or. And there's where it says that right there. That is nice. I want to get into this because I may use this outdoor. I have the wrought iron type chairs out there, and I can tell it's indoor-outdoor. It's got that resistance, you know, like if it was to rain on it. Yeah, that's going to be my new cushiony chair cushion outside. I love that. Has anyone gotten this in your mystery box? And remember, these were $5 mystery bags, and I paid $0 just because I had a credit, but I would have gladly paid $5 for all 3 of these. Each, but it's not each, it's $5 for all 3 was what the mystery bags were that I found that day. So great value. That means they're about $1.66 each as far as cost if you were to buy them, and for me it was free. But anyway, I love this pillow. I can't believe I got a pillow. You never know what you're going to get in a mystery bag, and they can be duds and they can be super duper. I've had some with some values up to almost $800. I mean, like I don't know, I got a whole set of knives. I got this real fancy duffel bag for traveling. I got a lot, and some designer purses. I mean, yeah, you just don't know. And then you could end up with, here's the next one, bag number 2, which I'm not going to say this is terrible, but the next thing is a 2026 diary. And inside here, obviously, it's going to be set up, I think, for 2026. It's month view, week view, budget pages, goal pages, notes pages, made from using sustainable materials. And it doesn't have a value on there, so I don't know how much it was, but I can tell you that it is going to be the 2026 calendar. Well, anyways, it's got each day, so you can actually put your own dates in there probably if you wanted to change it up for the year that you're actually in. And you can write your notes for Monday, Tuesday, or your diary. I guess it's basically to tell you what you did that day. So let me know, do any of y'all use a diary? And then I guess like in July, you can put the things of importance that happened. And then you're going to have a place to write about it each day. So that's really cool. I like that. It's called a Kath Hidston out of London. So very, very nice. They do have some nice paper products. The next item I'm pulling out, we're in bag 2, by the way, is this. What is this? This is a pickleball tote. You got a pouch for your pickleball. So I guess you put your pickleball in here. Yeah. And since I'm having a giveaway, and it's going to be a mystery, I will tell you I don't play pickleball, and I don't have a place to play pickleball. So if you play pickleball, put pickleball down in the comments so I'll know that this might be something you're interested in. But it is pretty. It's purple, and I guess you could use it for something, maybe tennis rackets. Could you put a racket in there? Maybe so it's designed slanted to put your pickleball in there. Pads. And let's see if I can get this open. No, I can't get it open without breaking the seal. And I'm not going to break the seal because I'm probably not going to keep this. And I want it to be all intact. But that's pretty cool. So, I don't know. Is this a good bag for those that play pickleball? Let me know. And then the last thing that I have in here is packing pods. And they're, looks like they're green and they go in your suitcase. These are great for packing your suitcase. They feel like they're going to be water resistant too. So like if anything gets on there, it's going to resist it. So it's my tag-along packing pods. and it says for the voyage for your vacation. So you got a large, medium, and small. So that is pretty good. And you got your netting here for some of your personal things, I suppose, and to air, you know, so it can air a little bit. And then this even has a handle on it. So those are my 3 things right there for bag number 2. So now it's time for you guys to decide. It's bag number 2 with the packing pods, the diary journal, and the purple pickleball bag. Is that the winner? Or is the little mug? Or is it this one with the bingo, bag number 1? Don't forget my big pillow here. Yeah, I say this might be the winner. You let me know. Which one is it? I'm just going to toss it all back in here for now. Oh, guys, I've been waiting a while to do this battle, and I finally got to it today. And now we're going to have a little fun. This will be a USA only because some of this could be quite big. I don't know if I'm shipping all of this or anything. That's not what I meant. This will be a USA only because I'll be shipping items and I can only afford to do it in the USA. You need to be 18 years or older. You need to be publicly subscribed to me. And you need to have, of course, an address in the continental USA. And let's see, YouTube and our FabFitFun is not affiliated with and you will get a mystery of at least 3 items and possibly more. No, in my case, you're going to get more than that, but you're going to get at least 3. It'll be a complete mystery. And the last FabFitFun battle that I had, that I got 2 $5 mystery bags, the winner for that was Teresa Corlin, and she has claimed her prize, and of course I'll be getting that out to her. But now another opportunity for one of you to win if you use the code word bingo. Let's use the word bingo in the comments if you want to be entered into this giveaway for a chance to win, and this will go for 2 weeks. And I don't know when this is going to be coming out, so it'll be 2 weeks from the day that this comes out. And while I'm doing editing, I will write that across there so that you'll know. And I'll pick my winner, and then I will announce the winner on the following Mass Monday. So winner announcements are on my Mass Monday. So make a note of that and be on the lookout. And again, I will pin that across there so that you will know. But let me know, bag number 1 or bag number 2, which is the winner. Wow, what a box, and for $5 each, what a deal. And what a deal for 0. I'm real happy with my little mystery box. So I hope you'll be happy with the mystery I send to one of you. But as for today in this mystery bundle battle, that's all I have. And as usual, I wish you all a blessed and happy day. Bye-bye.